A lot of sellers stepping in here at the open. Right now, just waiting. I want to watch this area here. 30, 110. And then the HVL as well is going to act as a major support level today. If this holds, we see buyer participation and acceptance. Might see some more upside, but if we break that and sellers continue to step in below that, we could be looking to take some shorts. See buyers trying to step in here. Buyers are trying to keep price up right now. Looks like the downside momentum is kind of stalled a bit. But let's see. Yeah, spoke too soon. Right, so we're getting into this transition territory here. Again, still above HVL, which means we are still overall bullish. We would want to see a break of the HVL and price acceptance below it. And then using volume footprint charts, look for an entry to go short. But right now I'm just kind of watching this area. I want to see what's going on, who's going to take control here. We did break into that transition area, so probably going to be pushing down the HVL. Could have taken the trade there, but it's alright. So we're right at the HVL right now. This is where I want to see, who's going to take control here. Again, if we see seller step in, price acceptance below that HVL, we'll be looking for shorts. But if buyers can step back in, we'll look for some long opportunities. So see, buyers are trying to step in here, but they're getting absorbed. Alright, seeing some stacked bearish imbalances here. Might be looking to take a short, at least down to this 29,980 level. Sorry, third highest absolute gamma level. See if I can take a cheap short here. Let's see. Want to see sellers maintain control. Got a lot of buyers stepping in right now. I'm gonna enter short. I'm gonna take this down to 29,980.
Order filled.
There we go. Nice short start off the day. So I got in. So like I said, if we break that HVL, see price acceptance below it, um, we should see some downside momentum. And that's exactly what we saw. So I just targeted this next level, um, which, let me see if I pull it up. It was at the time, it was our third highest absolute gamma concentration there. It is now our largest net put volume area. So again, I just targeted that next level down. There's a chance we could target this P2 level or even P3 later on. But again, just locking in profits, not here to get home run trades. I'm have to verify my entry on that one. Yeah, you can see how we're just continuing to push lower. I'd say the next good target would be this P2 level here. Actually, I do need to update my levels real quick. The thing about gamma levels is that they do update throughout the day. So it is important to monitor and then update your levels throughout the day as you go. I've got a lot of buyers stepping in now. but we are in negative gamma territory, which means essentially we are looking for short entries, right? Unless we can get back above HVL, um, there's no reason to look for longs right now. Shorts are going to be the higher probability play when you're below HVL. Yeah, there's more to it, um, but in a nutshell, at a very baseline level, right below HVL, you're looking for short opportunities. Above HVL, you're looking for long opportunities. Again, it's just a context tool, um, to help you take high probability trades, right? Stay on the right side of the market. If you guys are new to gamma levels, I would recommend looking into it. I'm still new myself. I spent all weekend teaching myself gamma levels, so I know the basics, but still learning every day about them. But it's an excellent, excellent context tool. Well, Kenneth, how you doing on the day so far? You can see sellers trying to step back in where I have this marked out, where we had heavy uh, sellers step in. So it's going to be a fight at this level here. Let's see if we can reclaim the HVL. If not, I'd be looking for shorts and possibly taking it all the way down to the P3 level here at 29,905. Buyers are trying to step in here. Here we go. Seeing that rejection off of HVO. Keep in mind, we also have that gap to close that was created over the long weekend. Well, I'm getting ready to sign off. Uh, Gotta get my kids ready for school. But if you are on the charts, um, I would be looking for shorts right now, for sure. Until we can get back above uh, 30,070, 30,065, and see price acceptance above that level, I would not look for longs until that happens. We are in a short environment, so look for pullbacks, definitely to this HVL level. Russell looks like we're at Asia low right now as well. So if you want to use those key levels as more context as well. But I will be back on probably around 8:15 ish, give or take. I'm probably done trading these 4 accounts. Gonna switch over to my Apex account and trade that later. Yeah, up 314 total on the day across those 4 accounts total. So yeah, I'm probably gonna lock these accounts up. These are my small 25K accounts, so just looking for small consistent wins on these accounts. Let compound interest do its thing. Now, if we do get back above this HVL level, right, and we start seeing price acceptance and buyers stepping in, I'll definitely target this first call wall, C1 at 3150 would be the first target. Now, if we can get back above C1, some of these higher levels are for sure in sight. So that's kind of the game plan. But if we're below HVL, look for shorts. All right, no one should be looking to take longs down here. You can even see it on the footprint chart. Every time the buyers try stepping in here, right, push down. Buyers step in, push down. All right, guys, I'm going to sign off. I will be back in a bit. Trade safe.